Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first video on YouTube, so make sure you like and subscribe. So my name is Sahil, and in my YouTube channel, that is Ace Unboxings with Sahil, we are gonna learn different stuff like science and how to solve different puzzles. We are also gonna do unboxings. So in today's video, we're gonna unbox the Yoyofactory Velocity. So this yo-yo is really nice and it's very much futuristic, and it can be modified into two ways, which is responsive and unresponsive, which is a great thing in a yo-yo because generally people complete their beginner stage with responsive yo-yos and want to explore more in the unresponsive way. So if they get this thing, they can put it in responsive and unresponsive modes whenever they want. So in the United States, this costs about $15. So let's see if it's worth the penny. So let's start unboxing it. So that's a good packaging from Yoyofactory. There are a few features here. There's the Yoyofactory written here, and there's a logo. And you have the velocity symbol. You have ready to use loop and a spare string. New extra durable plastic, premium long-lasting string, your tricks and secrets inside. I think there could be some pamphlet or poster which describes about the secrets, the basics of yo-yoing and the tricks as well. When you turn the packaging, the box over, you can see the spare string written, and then you can see some pamphlet. So my guess is right. Then you have the trademarks and all other information here, and QR code and stuff like that. So there's nothing much at the back, so all the features are listed in the front. So let's start unboxing by cutting the tape. The packaging color is quite catchy as it is in a fire and ice combination, I believe, because looking at the red and pink style and the light and dark blue, it kind of represents that sort of feel to it. So let me just try to unbox this thing. God, it's harder than I imagined it to be. Come on. Yep, perfect. So let's open it up. Okay, so there's a cardboard outer box, and inside is a plastic box. Okay, so this is simple. You just have to pull it up. It's like tab. Okay, so here it's written adjustable dial makes learning easy. So pro and easy. So I got the blue with lime green version, and it's kind of good looking. So looking at the yo-yo, the shape is really aerodynamic, which allows you to spin the yo-yo quick and nicely. And they said it's very durable, so I think this is the hard layer that runs around the yo-yo, which protects it if it just falls down. And there's a smooth inner layer here as well. Let's put that aside for a moment. Then we have this Yoyofactory Secrets and Tricks pamphlet over here. You know how to just start off with the velocity, and you have the tricks here, and you also have the website where you can just log in and see all the different videos regarding the yo-yo. And then you have the spare string. This string is kind of glossy and it's really nice. It looks of good quality, so let's put that aside. So here we have the yo-yo. So looking at this, it's so good. So let's just unwind the yo-yo first. Okay, so then the yo-yo comes in an unresponsive mode. So yep, it's in the unresponsive mode. So you can see these white things over here. Let me just open that for you. Okay, so yeah, the interior part is quite simple, and Here's the string. Let's just remove that. Yep. So you can see these white part. These are the response pads, which basically help you to modify the yo-yo in the way you want it to be. So let's remove the pads and check them out. Just turn them towards easy and then remove them. So you can see that these are the 3 slots where they go in, and this is the response pad, and it's kind of smooth over here for the I think this is for the string to just spin and sleep easily, and that's a simple response pad. There's not much kind of technology in that, and you just simply put it in and then turn the dial towards Pro. Just a minute. Yep, and that should do the trick. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for the interior. So let's put the string back. Putting a string on the yo-yo is so easy. You can, let me just demonstrate that if the string is separate. Let's just push it in nicely and then just turn this, lock it into place. So here you have the velocity symbol on one side and you have the Yoyofactory logo on the other. So you need to take the, so there are 2 ends on the string. So one is for your finger to go into, and then there's this loop that is just left. So you have to untwist it depending on the size of the yo-yo. Just do that. Yeah, just a minute. Okay, then put the string back onto the yo-yo, and then that's it. So let's just test it out. So let's test the yo-yo out now. So it's in the unresponsive mode. So let's do the bind in order to get it back to us. So let me just put the loop onto my finger. I have the finger protector. So that's a really good thing. It sleeps for a lot of time, I believe. Yep. It's nice. So let's test out the responsive mode now. So let's just turn the dial towards easy. Should not be turning it too much, then the yo-yo won't sleep. It becomes so responsive that it just zaps and comes back to your hand so quick and hurts your hand. So responsive mode, I'm not so advanced in yo-yoing, but I know a few tricks. So the responsive mode, wow, it's really easy to access. And you can see how nicely the yo-yo is spinning. It depends on the force that you put when you throw the yo-yo. So let's just do the bind on the responsive way. That's nice. Wow. I have to admit, the way that yo-yo is rotating at the end of the string is so smooth, and it's pretty easy to perform tricks as well. The string length is really perfect for yo-yos, and it has that good feel to it. And the sound that it makes when it sleeps is so satisfying to hear when you're yo-yoing, and it's really fast. So generally yo-yos sleep from about 5 seconds to 3 minutes. So this could sleep for about 45 seconds maybe, I don't know, but it provides a lot of time for performing various tricks on it, like the pizza. keys was very nice. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna make new videos and post them on YouTube. So see you later, guys. Bye.